Hi, this is my first on-demand video. So somebody recently asked me, how do we distinguish between vendors who are actually using AI and those who are just using AI to cover up clever algorithms? Now, with the popularity of AI and ML, lots of startups are using the psychological technique of having the .ai domain name. It's very similar to what people did in the 90s with the .com domain name. And in recent history, if you look at a company called Long Island Iced Tea Company that renamed itself to Long Island Blockchain Company, and their share price shot through the roof. Now, this isn't to say that there aren't companies that are doing genuinely useful stuff in the space of AI who have a .ai domain name. If you remember, Amazon used to stress on the .com domain name, but now it no longer does. It wanted to use that hype so that people remember the domain name, but it was still doing really useful, genuinely useful stuff. I know of similar companies in the .ai space, like H2O.ai is one company I know of. They have an excellent product, great work that they're doing, but they also want to use the hype and AI to capture some of the demand at least. Now, the only thing is, when somebody's just using buzzwords and they're not very quickly moving on to articulating what value they provide and what problem they solve, then be very, very careful. For the more technical folks, in some ways, AI really is just another layer of abstraction to solve a problem. With traditional methods, you explicitly define how you solve a problem. With AI, you define how to calculate the goodness or badness of a solution. In technical terms, it's the loss function and the constraints within which you look for a solution. Machine learning is just another branch of AI where you can figure out a more general solution by looking at more specific examples of specific solutions. Whatever type of AI or clever algorithm somebody's using shouldn't really matter to the end user. Nobody is going out there looking to buy AI. Most businesses are going out there to buy solutions to business problems or to optimize or predict some KPI or business measure. As long as you can do that, I wouldn't focus too much on what type of algorithms or what class of algorithms people are using. It just so happens that for certain kinds of problems, techniques from the AI world tend to be more useful. So that's my long answer to a short question. See you next time.